Welcome to the workshop. In this video I'm just going to make a French cleat shelf. Won't take less than a few minutes, I would imagine. Now I'm going to use some CA glue, some activator. I've got a few pieces of scrap ply and a small mallet just for helping things together if they're getting a little bit tricky. So I'll take a bit of CA glue. To begin with, I'm going to make up the frame. So this is the back of the shelf that I'm making. This is the front, the better side. Now I'll start off by gluing on the side cleats, and I'm going to put a few drops of CA glue around the cleat, and then I just every 4 or 5 of the box joints, not taking any weight other than around where the cleat is. And sometimes just a small tap helps it go into place. That's that one on. A few around the cleat, every 4 or 5. Like so. A little bit on these pieces on the side. It's getting cold in the workshop and the glue is not as fluid as during the summer. So, a few bits at the bottom, it's not taking any weight whatsoever. So that's all done. A little bit of activator. And now we're ready for the shelf itself. Take a few scrap pieces just to support the back so it's flat. All I'm going to do is run some glue along this edge. And around the tabs. And also on these tabs. Put them into position. Bit of activator. And that's the shelf made. Obviously I'll see when I'm looking at the video, but I don't know if that's 2 or 3 minutes. And that'll fit the rest of the system. Okay, I've been Alan, you've been watching, and I'll see you in the next video.